that have a woman outside and deserve a beat, no.
Come, Derek Morgan. Come, man. Come eat little fish bone. Don't be shy. Come, Derek, eat up your fish bone. Oh my God, Derek Morgan.
Oh, God, look what Derek hungry, man. But him not fear say Miss Bling send man to me. If he just beg Miss Bling and money to buy some food.
Listen to me, them some of the serious allegations. I say how me love the judgment and excitement would have call police on him. And that Miss Bling have to call police on him.
That's how I'm gonna beat what Miss Bling should have left me go give him a piece of beat now because he would have sit down right now. Yeah, and humbling himself. He would have talk about Miss Bling said man, liar, wicked, dusty man. He might go dead bad.
When anything happen to him, I go here say Miss Bling a cause it, because you know the dirty drink for them love believe dirty Derek.
Here, see a spoon here, come. See a spoon here. Come, Derek Morgan. Come, hold the spoon, man. Come, hold the spoon.
Miss Bling, you hear me?
Yeah.
What you have to do, you have to call police station. You must call the Apple Tree police station and make a formal complaint because that is discriminatory.
No. We got people my phone are dead. My phone are dead, my God.
Only for people want to kill him every day, I say. When I forgot, before him say me do this, him always comes to people want to kill him. What do you think I will come out of that if God forbid something happen to him? Not now come out of that.
Beauty no pay no mind here. Don't pay Derek no mind. That's something Derek alone. Destiny, me just Beauty, me just have to call the asylum people them because me make a formal complaint and me send them every evidence. It's when she talk about people house we burn down and about people man chatting man to kill people. All of them me send it with people them. Yeah. Then put outside and then they are foreign and them give themselves be a blood clot trouble and you go to pan live about poor, eh? If you the fucking poor, you they pan live every single day, you bring down people and put up people picture. You know see a sad. You know see nobody no love your girl. Nobody no love you no. No family no love you no. That's how you can't put up people picture. You don't want a family. Why you tell Beauty say you would like her to become your mother? Eh? You put up a woman picture and say you born me see Beauty.
She not stop yet. Me I send her go do it for the rest of a year. Coming and look for that. She can't put up any child purpose. Me not have no shame. And me and my family them sweet and nice and we look good. The girl is one big pathological liar and wicked. So guess what? She don't start yet. Me nah unblock she from nothing and any other name she come on me.
Don't unblock her. Make she continue come.
So I don't care. You know,
but being honest, is a role model, is an advocate. That's why she have to come with fake page. All when you block her 1 million times, she have to come again because she obsessed with you.
I know. Then that me tell the people them she can't leave me alone. She all went time. Yo, last night she come in on the live and hear her. Oh. You can't cuss. Me really think she can't cuss. She said, I do a block. I say, you're right, and I be a block. Me I go block, and I go block you now. And any other page you come from, me I go block you too. But
right now, she have the amount of people too. She didn't have up your picture, she have up my picture, now she have up Mosey O'Neill picture. Every single, but you know, see the girl want love. You know, see the girl alone, go over Destiny Live and go give Destiny some blue art there. The girl need love. She need, me understand when she go through, and the pressure where she go through, and the beating of them. Yeah, and she have a hatred in her heart, so she need love. So if you can go over there and give her some love, make it conquer her. Because she want love. She bitter.
You can't argue with that. Me will never argue with that because I'm going to tell you why. She said, she said, bitch, you block me, watch me and you. I'm going to take away your page. Girl goes and have several seats somewhere. Me, I will never. She
take away your page, do that now make you hungry.
I me ask her, me say, me say, what you feel like? Me say, after this, me have a good, very nice, clean family. Something what you never have. Me say, you don't have pussy, you don't bleed, you can't bring pitney. Next thing I don't, if you can't get nobody pregnant.
Exactly. Me think of O'Neill page. I too me see the picture and she write him name. You know, see the girl delusional. The fucking girl delusional. She want to stab in her blood clot neck. Me say Beauty, me say anyhow she did America one of them country, me I tell you, me fly,
but she
blood clot flying.
Listen, she
come before she left.
She really named Destiny
Jamaica to see her destiny before it happen.
She
And
come
then I
America.
ring up her blood clot neck.
She have a lot of issues, and you have to understand there's a lot of demons on her, and she's very possessed. Because look, if me block somebody, remember I'm in trouble you know. Me a girl with cuss people and go on myself, you know. And I don't open my mouth and say nothing to her. You know why me not say nothing to her on purpose? Me no want no friend from she. None at all. Me no want a friend because the girl, she very, very, very tricky. She's a trickster. She sit down for my life and make me feel like say she got this. And then come out from my life and come and a drop word. Oh, if Beauty was on my life, I would let nobody come disrespect her. Bitch, fuck you.
But your man in blood clot me don't say. She don't know A from Bullfoot. She don't know A from blood clot Bullfoot. I don't say she never go school. Dirty lucky, you never go school. Stinking more lucky. You never go school, dirty girl. When they are Jamaica, you are suffer. So you want to bring down long time blood clot people they are foreign and push them blood clot with you, eh? Like O'Neal. Or you want to bring down O'Neal. Only we are pushing blood clot, we and work hard for each a fucking murk. You bad man in blood clot, girl. Every minute you depend about bad rat, you depend about bad girl and blood clot, girl America and transgender. You know, she just obsessed with every blood clot people. Beauty is Susie, she come up here and go on one next blood clot topic. But I want she ramp with the ramp blood clot, somebody make them send missile, make them send RPG, make them send blood clot, boom everything over the CR and boom up our blood clot. Me say together see Beauty, a hater. But she's a man in blood clot me. I am a boy, I am fucking big. Eh? Tita never learn you that. I am a boy, I am a girl. If you know say it's a blood clot boy. Eh? Yeah, come and dress up in a skirt and a blood clot blouse, then put come show cocky pan life. That not fucking girly. You know see a mad blood clot girl. You know see a cokehead. You know see it's a blood clot cokehead drunk shit pit, dog head. You know see it's a blood clot drunk boy is a man in me. Drunk dead dog. Eh? You never read I am a boy, I am a blood clot girl. Eh? You never read it dog shit. You never read it at school if you know say it's a fucking boy. Mr. Bling, me not done with her yet.
But I have the urge to cuss like people. I mean, I know why me can't find the urge. Me
Beauty
just don't want to have
she
nothing to do with him.
tell Derek to do it. Because she got friend back Derek now, you know. True, yeah, and Derek kick off. She got friend back Derek me here. And somebody in a group, cause Derek must say add her back to the group.
You see, so you know see how she stay. She try to stay relevant because nobody now look past she. But here what go on now. She and Derek can be back friend all them want it. I don't business and I don't care.
But Beauty, the fact of the matter is, Derek shouldn't cuss and bring down somebody who really help and look out for him. We better Beauty, me not lie. Better this we the expect this. So I'm telling God truth. Like we when I know you never yet do nothing for we. Better this we expect from 2 to 2 and continue and put them something there.
Purpose, me gonna tell you something.
Mm-hmm.
Me no know, me no feel it, me no feel nothing. One time, remember as somebody said sit me jump. Me no know why me no
feel something. No, me I say me that feel something because me a human being. If you see how me help somebody and go out to extra my beauty, almost night up on live after 2, sometimes me say, oh God, this after 2 in the night with the look dirty stinking wicked man, and then you got me say, hey, reaction I go take it. You see come over way to play back pan with the beauty.
It have to take him.
You understand me? The man is so ungrateful. Better we did I say beauty set up man, and that's why when we say about beauty and this and that, beauty never feel no way because beauty never help we. But Derek when woman help so much, if you have somebody
let me tell us something. Them no remember kindness. You see people who no remember kindness, some people do for them, gotta go get them a piece of meat. Right now, I'm sitting out here. Them, you know, them no remember kindness.
I tell you, somebody 15 years Derek can do this woman's thing, you know. So a whole heap of people come by help Derek and then gone. I was 15 years Derek can do this
everyone I'm inboxing if you post up this and post up that, and everyone gonna life of a wicked inbox. Gonna send life of a wicked guys now. Then I remember kindness. Me work 8 o'clock and me bleeding and live. Me say that things can be about Derek.
But Squirter, listen to what me I tell you on child purpose. So no know me a original girl where we cuss I don't know straight for my kids. I can't find no urge. Me just lock him
Mm-hmm.
off and turn him off. Me don't know him dead to me. The girl dead to me.
You get
Can
me,
trick
huh?
me. He trick me. Squirt has she trick me.
Each time I might take a banana
Beauty.
beat up chest with Miss Bling and take a plane come Jamaica come beat up chest with the mama when a blood clot give him no love. And the man them when a tap beat him and batter bruise him. Then bat him and a lot too much strength is straight woman. And when the man them pan it road a beat and a cuss out them blood clot them can't fight to them.
It's like, you trick
Shemar,
me.
you know
Yeah.
see me did I talk to you upon the live. And when you make me get with something be you know the girls.
I'm lost.
Girls.
Yeah, but you're no girl.
Yeah, I am a bottom, so I'm a girl. That's what I meant.
Hello, me just said I'm a people I can't see them something there.
But come on, me like you. I'm dead over you. Me like you for real.
Child
But I get the
purpose.
word.
I like me some stuff.
Child
Yeah, Beauty,
purpose.
I'm hearing you. Yeah?
What she do? She got report. She come and listen. I want you to listen good. Don't say nothing. Just listen. You can interject if you want, but just check the levels there.
Yeah, yeah.
But over here, I talk to my beauties, them, and I tell them what go on and why I come live because of what the boy I say and stuff, right? You know, say goody run on pan live, send faith name, run on pan live. Go talk him about member. Nobody no member him, you know. Nobody not talk about him. Nobody beauty no member that. Run come pan live. Beauty go talk him about this and that, blah, blah, blah. Someone just lock her off. Girl run go report my page. Me not understand Instagram, you know. Me not understand Instagram. So anyway, them cut the live. So me can't go live on the Beauty Bling records. See, me not know how long.
Oh,
So me
that's
come
why
over
the
here.
comment them they turn off.
Well, I know now. So me come over here so now. When me come over here so now, me not know I not reach over here so yet. But let them reach over here so him report the page. Me gonna show you how dumb that goat is. Me gonna show you how dumb the goat is. Me have my followers them. Anybody live me go pan. Remember when them block this here page, I have 2 other page. So me can go pan them the page, which me now go. But let's say me now go pan them the page. I have my followers them page. Like for instance, some have your page. You didn't know so me can come on your page when you go live and the people them come same place over there and middle live and
Yeah.
we
Me
still
have
do
to
whatever
go
we
work,
do.
but me I shot my fear for the rest of the week. No, me too. So where you gonna eat? Oh,
Yeah, go ahead, Bling.
Me tell you, of course a goat. That's a goat. I mean the goat is a dumb goat. Not no original goat where I run place right now. She's a goat. But say, if she says she
Billy
gonna
Rami
take away
go.
all of my page them, when you take away all of my page them, me can go live on anybody page and the crowd come right there and I same thing. How dunce. This is how she
Beauty,
think
you know,
for.
me
Because
now cut me a try cut you from morning. Do you have a PayPal account?
yeah.
Could you send it to me when you can make somebody send us some money and send me up online something there?
What?
Alright, remember the person send her the money, I cash it out and send me to Western Union and when
You don't have PayPal?
I have it, but it give me problem.
I'll show you what to do. People like when I have the PayPal. Oh, all right, when I'm finished, I'll talk to you. Let me tell you, people. These people, we're not going to have a field day for the rest of the year coming now. Look upon that. And I hit a hurt him coming down, pay him the mind. And I don't feel like some if you argue with him because guess what? I don't understand. Oh, I'm obsessed. So want to hear my voice when he can go. He can go on my page them and listen to everything when me ask me interviews them. He can't sit down and watch me and jerk off. What the problem?
So Bling, regarding to going forward, seeing that because we don't want to really have the negative. So regarding going forward and want to do something positive, what's next? What is the next move
No, child
regarding
purpose.
to your
Listen.
platform?
All right, listen to me, child purpose. My platform is a very nice and healthy platform.
Yeah,
My
that's right.
platform, I I do interviews, I do competitions, I have my talk show. I have a lot of things going on my platform. I have a time where I give away credit, but because I did take little time out from this of help the dead dog. You understand? But my sister him cannot be helped anymore, so I'm just focusing back on Beauty Bling. That's it. So I'll keep this page
Yeah.
for the entertainment page. So this a page where all the
Yeah.
entertainment them go on pan. If them book me on the main page, then me make it go on pan there. But I really yesterday the entertainment go on.
Shamar, there's a time and place for everything. Yeah, that's what I like about you, Beauty. You don't underestimate and you don't judge.
And I
You
hit
don't
a kill them
criticize. And you
because
don't...
true, thank you. And I hit a kill. You see like under the pan the live right now, them eat this. Me can't please people. Nobody not trouble me. Yes, I the careless
Because,
thing entertainment page.
let me tell you something. Shamar, stop it. Stop it. Let me tell you something,
Oh, the boy
guys.
talk
Just,
them, you entertain the people, and the people and love it. Go on,
yeah,
talk.
but we are going to talk about different stuff right now. Serious. So, could you please turn off your camera?
Listen, them love
That,
you know.
no?
Child purpose, them love you know. Shamar, them love him. Shamar just hurt with
Them
him.
All
love
right.
me.
So what I'm saying,
If you
Beauty.
don't love me, well, I'm not cut to know. If you don't love me, then out of me and child purpose, who no love? Two for child purpose, one for me. Who
Don't,
love me?
Shamar,
The one.
Shamar, don't compare me. It's not a competition. It's not a competition. What I was saying,
Guys,
Beauty,
listen to me.
let me
Talk
just
child purpose,
let me
talk.
just continue. So what I was saying, guys, is that Shamar, could you turn off the camera? Shamar, give him partner TT. Jesus, Chini said, "But my God, Chini,
Jesus Christ.
Chini, oh my God." God. All right. So what I was saying, Beauty, I was saying I was explaining to the people, the persons on this platform, is that we cannot just bring down persons, right? And because we cannot reject people no matter what they've been through or no matter what them go through, right? What you look at drunk?
Mr.
So
Wait, man,
I was
Chinny
saying,
soon cuss him off. Wait. Left him to Chinny. Wait,
but
man.
me love on the bad.
Chinny soon can rub him. Wait.
Yeah, because that is what I like about Beauty, because me no know if me can give her encouragement, because see everybody are bringing it down and so forth, because see we do a lot of things that we hurt you, and see there we are here today. So that is what I love about you. You don't reject, just like Jesus, right? Him don't reject people, and no matter who you be, him not condemn you, and see it, you still come and you give with it. Let me say the highlight, to be honest.
But
To be
child
honest, you
purpose.
give with the highlight.
But child purpose, listen. Remember, I know. It's when me and Uno cuss. Remember the cussing them. All with me and Shemar.
Yeah.
We did a two for days. We did do no posting. No distress. No. Going to people, family and them. So we did do any of them there.
No, see look at that shit they gone live again, Miss Bling. Miss Bling, why you make me leg on my blood clot up, me say that fling some blood clot rock like fucking Iraq from over yesterday, Switzerland, you know, and bury the blood clot. Me say people, there's the blood clot, you know, cause me I got a seat side till I could dirty donkey face girl there. And me a print a picture, me a dash in a blood clot, see, me a cut and blood clot clear. Me a cut and blood clot clear.
Is that time and place for everything? Is that time and place for everything? Okay? All right.
Me a cut and clear if you look a drunk at the seaside.
Remember we got to...
Anytime him see me go live, child purpose.
Yes, if you go live, but she can't stop your Beauty. She cannot stop you.
Me I got the river for destiny. Me I get my
Beauty, you know why she can't stop you?
I mean, I got the river, me I go live.
You know why?
Me I go cut and clear. Me I go the river, me I get one white.
And your heart clean and you have love, and that's why they can't overthrow you, because your heart full of love and your heart clean.
All right, see what Chini said. Look on this. This is how I do every time. In going at the fake name that me I tell her miserable. Me say when the girl up on the live the other day and una cuss her and she came up the house and I came up herself. Me I say, yes, goody, go on. Purpose the girl trick me so me can't chat back to her. Trick me. Me not like nobody trick me.
She have to go on Latina because Latina better than her. You know, see, Latina pursue her music and so. Destiny need a life. Destiny need a life.
Well,
She
and
need
them
a
are gonna
life.
try me head and come back. My head that hurt me.
She need a life, man.
Me nah go find somebody like your page. I look for somebody like.
So
Bling, you hear me?
anybody with in a problem with so much people, something wrong with them.
Listen to me, them not remember kindness and when people do for them. That's why they go forever stay up on the ground. The girl gone to Switzerland supposed to find a nice rich man and take care of her and make her life over there. She a run from excitement and judgment out here. Go to Switzerland, go make a better life for yourself and stop bring down people. As a girl over there, she's supposed to promote positivity because Miss Bling are one of them people that is supportive.
I'm Blanchini, I'm man a feed him. Is him man a feed him? If you don't want to know, I'm man. Go ahead.
Yeah, may I say people like Beauty Bling will give us the platform and especially she will Bling help out and do interview with them. Supposed to kiss the blood clot girl and Miss Bling walk on instead of scrutinize the woman. That's why I tell you say sometimes I see people the parent that suffer and the things them would then do.
Ask
And
me not take it down, you know. Me don't you see how me and her have whatever. But me not have nothing with her. You know, so me don't take down the interview. If you not ever go listen to the interview, you know that feel sorry for her. I know that final said that's the reason why she's so bitter. She didn't get any love at all. It's just beaten. Brother beat her, mama beat her, everybody beat her. Just beaten. She got no love.
yeah, exactly. So she don't have
claims
any
that
love.
she was raped when she was 10. Right now, me I try to think if I did really rape. I swear.
Listen to me. People learn from them past and life is about positivity and going forward. I learn for your past and you move forward with positivity and love. Even if you never get no love when you grow up, at least try to find that person in your life who can give her that love that you deserve. There's Switzerland, one nice fucking country. Rich man, they are Switzerland. The World Bank, they are Switzerland. Find a nice
One
rich
thing
man and
Squirt, I
take
go
care of
talk about
yourself.
rich man and Switzerland, you know.
Down. Take down the interview, Beauty. Take it down. Take it
That's what
ras
me I
down,
try tell
Beauty.
you, me
Take
not
it
petty.
down.
Me not petty, me
Take
leave
it down,
and
beautifully.
no, me not
Take it
take it
down.
down.
Don't give her the highlight. You put out of her and put up your son and your mother. Me say, Beauty, take it down,
She
Beauty.
put her Beauty Bling's son. She put her Miss Blinger's son.
Yes.
Yeah,
Beginning on the live.
okay.
I was on the live.
Okay.
She put up a name to go to blood clot far. Take it down, Beauty. Take it blood clot down. Take it down now. Too much of blood clot. She take it down, Beauty Bling.
Oh my
Else me I
God.
go take it down. Too.
Oh
Me tell her she
my.
obsessed.
Come out of the dog shit now. Come out of your dog shit.
Child purpose. Me tell her say a pedigree me bring. What she
You
bring.
see, most of them Batman them grudge real man you know for them gender, you know. Enough of them Batman are judge man for them gender, you
It's a
know.
problem. You know, every time she cuss me and tell me, go live in your week. You all you do is go live. You can't go live without your wig, bitch. You can't. Which wig will never see me now?
But she always have an wig.
Hello, Shaba, how much you make some button? One Destiny picture, more make some button. I got the Photoshop.
No, I have the link. Child purpose at Jamaica, they are foreign.
Me the all about me love. Me's a rolling blood clot.
So child purpose, when we kidding you, when I hear me a ball and I feel sad for Shamar, child purpose say yes, him dead. Child purpose, what you doing it? Hey, child purpose, a trick, me you know?
I told Shamar he needs to do this more often because he's an entertainer. This is what I told him on top of foolishness.
Shamar make me pum pum a blood clot jump. My pum pum get wet.
No.
See,
why my pum pum feel wet?
Jesus, I'm tired.
Two speaker go suck your mother. Go tell Derek ten blood clot wicked when the matter about woman said fucking gunman pan him dog shit. Why they go tell Derek when the matter about woman said gunman liar dirty wicked man. One name out, hey, don't make me classy over here saying no. Nobody don't wicked over here, so.
Child
Them say you
purpose,
don't have no
listen.
pum pum to yourself.
Child purpose, them eat me like I'm Jesus,
Might be Derek not eat for a morning in a child purpose. So you have
Him don't eat me
put
plain.
yourself in
Him
my
don't eat.
position.
Oh, in the morning. Yes, Derek hungry right now. You
You
can't buy
think
no
it's
Kentucky.
easy. Child purpose, you sound like you have sense, but I always I tell you. Talk it through. You think it's easy for somebody who used to send your money, top send your money. You think that I got easy for you for a person?
No, so
Shema,
Shamara,
you
you just turn me on. Oh my God. Hey, Miss Nigga, what the kill
Shema,
is
you're
you?
stuck in the conversation. Because the lady asked me a question and never got through.
Me I said to you, say,
Miss
put
Nigga,
yourself in a
one thing
Derek
over here,
position for a minute.
yeah.
You used to get money every week from foreign and it top. What do you think I got? Explain to me what you think I got. You think that now go take a
Well,
toll upon him?
let me put myself. Let me give my perspective and put myself in
Don't think
in
that
a
body
theme,
age
right?
politics coming
Let's
to only the
emphasize
body age
and
politics say.
let me put myself in them shoes because if well, everybody different still beauty because some people are just let it go and say you don't send them, you're not sending them no more money and that's it. While you have some people are go upset, some people are go mad, some people where I go stress out and go through and maybe a depression Derek I go through without know. Make him
That's
do
what I
them
tell
something
you.
here.
Wait and watch what go on.
Because
Cause when him lie down on the
beauty
railway
never when the
ticket,
man blood clot black me. Yeah, you know some me that behave when the man black me beauty cause me the eager me the
yeah,
hot for the man.
that,
Cause me have to come help this man and this man black me for people.
then no, it a go on with your donkey goat face friend over there.
Beauty,
Come me
let me
black
tell
you.
you what. Beauty, yeah, I went over to whatever, and I listened to that voice note. Let me tell you this. I saw Derek stay here. You understand me? So anything Derek what all if he didn't make video do, he don't give a damn. It does
You
not
see,
give a
Shamara,
damn.
you remember when I do the voice note, Derek tell us if you over if you don't miss bling amount. That's what Derek do.
Beauty remember Shamara Derek's son, you know. You never know that people.
Me know.
Yeah, me a Derek son, me a Derek son. Yeah.
Hello, people. Bling a Derek's son. Shamara Derek's son.
Derek one son, Peter.
Purpose. Me want you
Okay.
to understand something. Purpose. This not done yet. It just start because guess what? You see the black when me block the people them purpose and that a cause the problem. Me should not block them. Because Derek can't
You
call
need
me
to
no
unblock
purpose
between
from
of
me.
you, you
Derek
need to
can't.
unblock me.
Me not unblock you?
No, you unblock my next page, my original page. Then
All
me
right.
have to come over here from backup page.
You know, if you had a
Alright,
panda life and if it class out and nastiness.
So unblock
Page,
you.
yeah.
Listen to me, purpose. It's gonna be winter and the people them up for foreign I got broke and I have no money because of the back to school and the winter. So there's no money to send to nobody child purpose. Me not ask you, me I tell you. Listen to me purpose. Me have over 40 people. Why you think the people them run with me? And everybody eat me purpose. Me have over 40 people that tell me, Miss Bling, we can't send money come give you every night, Miss Bling. Derek is not doing anything. Where's the progress? Where's the progress? I mean, I have to listen to the people then because it's them sending their money.
But
Me
beauty member say I see him thing I was saying, you know, when me that say people send them money regarding to the cakes here, where they keep, right?
Mm-hmm.
And there nothing, no success, nor no awareness, not never come out regarding the cake sale. I mean, I say people send them money because every time people are asked Derek, what about the cake sale, how much money I make and so. Derek cuss off the people them and say, no ask me nothing, go suck on the mother and them something to say you feel say people are gonna send back money for this combo.
But
Eh? If they not nothing.
What I'm saying to you, the people them in my inbox, may I tell you, and them I tell me, Miss Bling, we respect you, Miss Bling, but he's not getting a dollar more from me.
The cake sale was listen to me. Beauty, yeah, somebody said the cake sale was successful, but where is the funds? Where Hold
Never
on,
bother
no,
answer me.
let me point out something. Where's the fun?
Him say him
What
use
did
it.
Derek
Me I
do
go tell you
with the money?
Purpose, go and ask the question, me tell you. Him say
Yeah,
him use
yeah.
it for pay for the motel at night time, so it done.
This Derek don't pay for it.